All right, guys, we don't come again. This particular one is for Edo State again, but we're just going to go straight to the point. You know, in Uromi right now, the vigilantes in Uromi that's protecting the people of Uromi, the people of Edo State, right there. Now remember, Uromi, the same place where they occupy the 16 Fulani Esme or Fulani men or hunters, anyhow they want to call them, where they occupy these people, which you and I disagree with the jungle justice. Now, the surprising part of it now is that the Edo State Police or Nigeria Police have collected guns, all the guns from all the vigilantes. Remember that some of these people have been threatening that they want to retaliate the killings, the fight, and all that happens in Edo State. But for the federal government or the state government to collect all the guns of the vigilantes, what does that sound like? I don't know. But listen to the cry of the vigilante people. Listen to them.
So I just wanted to go straight, sir, because yesterday people were on the street yesterday.
Yes,
so
yes,
today
yes.
Now, we saw that, is it that you people are here to work, or you said until they answer you?
We are here until they answer us. Because we don't suffer for this work. Person like me, I'm 21 years in vigilante now. If you check this my hand, more than 15 bullets inside this my hand today. So our divisional will be working with our police rifle, our divisional GPO. We work it on the station, any area we receive any call, we move to make sure so there's peace. When there's problem in Upper Sakmumba, that our DPO pull out, we call of us, we bring our house to support it, to assist the DPO to make sure so there's peace at Upper Sakmumba. Now we don't collect our hands. Anytime DPO call, not to assist, many things have been happening around the environment, around those states. So that is why we the vigilante, we have been trained. They train us how to shoot, how to dive, how to do many things. After our training, they give us our certificate. So when CP come, he said he want to repair Edo State. We respect him as a good citizen of Edo State. We use our hand, carry our hand, go give her. After we don't give her, he come out for EBS. Man around time say, is it easy to collect 2,000 something GoPro boys to recover? That's we are attached. We don't know what we are doing. That's why we the vigilante of Edo State will come out to beg our governor to come to our aid, to come and rescue us. For the hand of our enemy, as we are saying now, many escapee when we don't arrest. Before put for this thing, many of them don't come out. Our life is no longer safe. So we need our gun back.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
My people, I don't know if you are thinking the same thing I'm thinking right now. But because I cannot communicate with you directly now or hear you speak back to me, waiting me they think I will silence them for now. Remember, the vigilante that is protecting the people of Uromi, the same people that Fulani Esme have been buying for the past 5, 6, 7, 8 years, if I'm not mistaken, they don't collect their guns from them. And as they talk, so no single weapon they with them anymore. It's like they are being exposed to danger. It's like they are totally naked as we are talking. This particular story, so it be as it gets. It's not pleasing. It's scary. Like I talk I don't know whether you they think waiting me they think right now. But I would like to read your comments. Put it on the comment section. What's your take on this particular situation right now in Edo State, particularly, precisely in Uromi? Join us every day. This is NAIJA Media. We are live every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's talk about the things that affect you and I. Share our videos, like our videos, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye for now.